Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. As you see there, we are going to discuss about another new session, which is about English grammar and use. We are going to discuss about the use of present perfect and past, part 1, where we can say, I have done and I did. My friend, are you able to compare them according to their use? If you don't, it's up to you to follow this session. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much. So right now, let's start with this example situation, because the example situation, it is very important because it helps us to dive into the session. Are we together, my friend? Let's go. Tom is looking for this pen. Tom is looking for his pen. He can't find it. He has lost his pen. Present perfect. This means that he doesn't have his pen now. This example takes place before 10 minutes. Let's see another example after 10 minutes later. After Tom lost his pen. Now Tom has found his pen. He has it now. Has he lost his pen? Present perfect. No, he hasn't. He has found it. Did he lost his pen? Is past simple. Yes, he did. He lost his pen is past simple. My friend, I think that we are together there. Follow what we are reading and what you are explaining. Read after me, my friend. I want you to be together in this session. But now he has found it. That is present perfect. Let's see the use of present perfect and present and past simple. Present perfect is present tense. I think that you are together. Is one of the elements of present tense. It usually tells us something about now. Present perfect tells us about something about now. Tom has lost his pen. It is the activity that is happening recently. He doesn't have his pen now. Means that he has lost his pen. He has lost what? His pen? He has lost his pen. The use of past simple. Past simple tells us about or tells us only about past. If somebody says Tom lost his pen, we don't know whether he has it now or not. Do you understand? We use past simple to talk about something that takes place in the past and it has already finished. And present and past simple tells us only about the past, or tells us only about the activity took place in the past. For example, there, if somebody says Tom lost his pen, meaning that we don't know whether Tom has it now or not. We only know that he lost it at some time in the past. I think that you are together there. Two more examples. Jack grew abroad, but now he has showed it off. Another example. They went out after lunch and they haven't just come back. My friend, don't use the present perfect if there is no connection with the present. I'm going to repeat again. Don't use the present perfect if there is no connection with the present. Because we use present perfect continuous to talk about something happened recently, but it is still happening in the time of speaking. It has signs in the time of speaking. Let's say example there. The Chinese invented painting, not have invented. Are we together? The Chinese invented paintings, not have invented. Mistake. How many plays did Shakespeare write? That is the activity that takes place in the past and has already finished. Another example, example 3. Beethoven was a great composer, not has been a great composer. We use the present perfect to give you new information, my friend. We use the present perfect to give new information. But if we continue to talk about it, we normally use past simple. When we are using the present perfect for the purpose of giving new information, and you continue to repeat the information, we normally use past simple. For example, here we have example A. Example A, you have A, B, A. We are going to see how we use the present perfect where it becomes, when you are continuing repeating the action, it becomes the use of past simple. Oh, I burnt myself. That example A. Oh, I burnt myself. B. How did you do that? Not have you done. I picked up a hot dish, not I have picked a hot dish. I think that you are together there. In example 1A, the speaker have burnt himself. In example 1B, the receiver asked him, how did he or she do that? And the receiver replied the sender that he or she picked up a hot dish. I think that there you understand the reason why. When you continue repeating the action that takes place recently, it becomes, or it gives us an ability to use past simple. Example 2. Look, somebody has spilled milk on the carpet. Somebody has spilled milk on the carpet. I wonder who it was then. I wonder who it was then, not who it has been. Thank you so much for attending this session. I think that this session was very important because it helps us to know how we use present perfect and past. Thank you so much. We shall meet again where the God wishes. My friends, subscribe if you are interested and if you are new in this channel. Thank you so much.